Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have 10 minutes all about the booty. So grab a mat, grab an optional set of weights if you have it, and let's get started. All right, starting off with one 5-pound weight behind the left knee on all fours. We're gonna take that left heel, press it up to the ceiling, and then lower it down, making sure to maintain our core and no arching in that lower back. Take a rest and set that weight off to the side. We're coming down onto our forearms. We're gonna stay working with that left leg, just extend it straight back, flex the heel. We're gonna take a little lift and drop. So just think of tapping that heel up to the ceiling, feeling that squeeze in the hamstring and the base of the seat. Breathe and grab back onto that weight. We're heading into side 2 of both those exercises. So that weight will come behind our right knee this time, hands under the shoulders. Take that right heel, stomp it up to the ceiling, and lower it back down. We'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Take a breather and set your weight off to the side. We're coming back onto those forearms and extending that right leg straight behind you. Square the hip down, flex the heel, and find that little lift and drop. Keeping this movement nice and small and keeping that right leg nice and straight. Here we go. All right, you guys, set that leg down and meet me down on the left hip. Rest your head flat and then take that weight. You can place it on top of your right thigh. Extend that leg straight. Inner thigh shines down and you're just gonna find that little lift and that little drop. If you don't have a weight today, you can still do the same exercise. and breathe. All right, you can set that weight down to the ground. The leg is gonna stay out from the hip. We're just gonna slide it forward, right in line with the hip, and then slide it back, keeping the leg in that same plane as we slide it forward and back. And rest. Flip your body over. We're heading into side 2 of both of those movements. So meet me on the right hip, rest your upper body flat. Take the weight on top of the left thigh. We just find that little lift and that little drop. And again, that leg is just extending straight out from your hip. Here we go. And breathe, set the weight down. This time we are sliding that leg straight in front in line with the hip and then straight back down. Remembering to keep the leg long, the heel flexed, and keep it in the same plane as it travels front and back. Here we go. Rest. All right, we're gonna flip onto our backs. Option 2, grab one or both of your weights. We're gonna take our right leg straight up to the ceiling, finding a glute bridge as we press the hips up and lower back down. You're really gonna feel this in your supporting left leg. Here we go. Take a breather, you guys, and we're just gonna switch those legs out for our final push today. So extend that left leg to the sky, flex the heel, and then press into your right glute to send those hips up and tap them back down. Final push, let's do it. shake it all out and give yourself a final big round of applause. You guys made it through 10 minutes of glute work. Hopefully you enjoyed the video today. Let me know in those comments if you did, and we'll see you back next time.